Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Telegram without your phone number. So whenever we sign up Telegram app, so you have to enter a number. So I'm gonna tell you how you can bypass this or how you can use any other number rather than yourself. So let's get started. You guys have to simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, so I have opened a website which is getfreesmsnumber.com. You guys can also search this website directly here. So after searching for that website here, you guys have to just simply scroll down until you find an option which is virtual numbers. You guys can see United States or any other country. So you guys have to just simply tap on check number. So after tapping on that, here you guys have to simply close the ad, and here you guys have to simply scroll down until you find an option which is the number is online. So you guys have to simply tap on the hold on the number, and you guys have to simply copy the number. So after entering the number, you guys have to simply go to next and click on yes. So what it can do is it can basically send the OTP code to that number on the website. So you guys have to simply go to that website again. Here you guys can see the lots of list of SMS which are coming to this number. So you guys will also wait here, and Telegram will send OTP code here, and you guys have to simply copy this OTP code and paste it to the Telegram. And in this way you guys can use Telegram without your phone number. So you guys basically use virtual number for Telegram, and in this way you guys can secure yourself and your phone number and protect yourself from Telegram. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.